During the 2023 International Forum for Trilateral Cooperation on Monday, senior Chinese diplomat Wang Yi made the most astounding racist statements. He said, Europeans and Americans can't distinguish between Chinese, Japanese, and South Korean individuals. And no matter how much we dye our hair yellow or how sharp we make our noses, we can't become Westerners. We should always remember our roots. Anyway, Chinese diplomat Wang Yi is not alone. Look what this Chinese professor said in his lecture to Chinese university students. This will help to explain why China commits Uyghur genocide and crimes against humanity in occupied East Turkestan. And by the way, East Turkestan was an independent country before China's invasion. Okay, let's watch what that Chinese professor said. Watch.
一个国家强大的基础是为了广袤的国土面积。新加坡打死他也强不了，首都就是国家，国家就是首都。骑自行车赚一天肯定赚不来。看我们960万多少国土面积，你为自己是个中国人感到自豪了吗？感到了。5000年，谁还能再跟中国耗5000年？啊！世界10大文明，我们可以说古埃及、古巴比伦、古希腊、古罗马、古印度、古玛雅，谁说过古中国？那9大文明都断线了，唯独中国一直延续至今。尽管周边一族少亡，有时入主中原，很快被我强大的文化所同化，并追自的加入到中华民族伟大大家庭中来。咱这文化，我说句夸张的话，童话呀，先进性嘛。那8年抗战，咱们是胜了，咱要败了，200年、100年，日本就是我一个省，你信吗？童话，当然没有好的，好的吸引他，改造他，坏的折腾死他。你们为自己是一个中国人感到自豪吗？你们还染黄头发吗？黑头发最漂亮，对不对？哎，为我们的种族自豪，我们的民族自豪，只有民族的才是世界的，对不对？对。哎，美国还跟咱比，你还出美，200年多一点，咱5000年一比没文化，对吧？还争霸，这2000多年前我们春秋战国时代。老祖宗玩剩下不玩的活儿，我们到现在开始和谐世界了，还争霸，多年轻，多生猛啊！
Happy Independence Day, United States of America. The people of East Turkestan has been suffering from Chinese occupation and genocide. They also deserve to restore their independence. God bless America and God bless the independence of East Turkestan.